Most individuals are currently following the keto diet, which is currently a trend. However, when a diet is not customized for you, there are many risks to your health. That's why the Custom Keto Diet Program was developed to assist millions of people who are attempting to lose weight healthily and effectively. The diet achieves this by totally cutting out any carbohydrate consumption, so the body is forced to turn to its fat reserves for fuel. Well, the keto diet sounds nice and fancy, but it may be a little difficult to implement for first-timers. What carbs do you cut out, and how? You can't just eliminate whole foods from your diet, that's asking for trouble. Fortunately, the Custom Keto Diet is here to help you. Custom Keto Diet is your one-stop place for a customized keto meal program that can help you achieve optimum levels of health. You need to know what kind of foods you can or cannot include in your diet. You just can't discard foods because you see fit. The keto diet is one diet that has become popular in recent times. It depends on the principle of ketosis, i.e. using the body's fat reserves to create energy that we can use for our day-to-day activities. The diet achieves this by totally cutting out any carbohydrate consumption, so the body is forced to turn to its fat reserves for fuel. The Custom Keto Diet is an 8-week program that makes a special diet plan based on your unique body shape and size. To make sure that you enjoy every meal you eat, the Custom Keto Diet also considers your lifestyle, how stressed you are, and, unlike other keto diets, your taste buds and food preferences. The advantages of a custom ketogenic diet are numerous, and some of them are as follows. There is no need to go to the gym or engage in physical activity because the diet focuses more on items to eat. Since the ingredients are simple and readily available in grocery stores, finding them won't be difficult. One will observe they are losing weight quickly and easily with the program. The programs aid in sustaining a better way of living. The diet assists in lowering cravings because the recommended serving sizes are sufficient to satisfy hunger. Aids in the burning of fat. The diet makes sure there is little carbohydrate intake, which allows the body to turn the extra fat it has stored into energy. When you purchase the Custom Keto Diet, you will get an 8-week customized meal plan designed specially by experts. There is a panel of fitness trainers, chefs, and nutritionists making sure that the plan is designed only after taking into account your overall health and your choice of foods. The plan includes foods you can eat and avoid. And no, it is not about eating less. It is about eating food properly, and avoiding carbs, and sticking to healthier alternatives in your diet. This makes your diet more enjoyable, and you are likely to stick to it for longer. The meal plan is customizable as per your taste. It comes with instructions that help you keep your diet in order and make it free from any sort of confusion. There are several recipes in the Custom Keto Diet Program, and each recipe that is designed comes with detailed instructions. You can even make this food at home, with little to no chef experience. The plan also provides a list of groceries that you can easily purchase from your local stores. Rachel Roberts, the inventor of the Custom Keto Diet Program, has specifically designed and customized this diet plan for adult men and women who wish to lose weight and get rid of the fat stored in their bodies. For only $37, you can purchase the entire Custom Keto Diet Program package. In contrast to other online keto diets, the Custom Keto Diet Plan software is unique because the diet and meal plans it provides are tailored to your body type, way of life, and, most importantly, your food choices. It offers a full 100% satisfaction guarantee on all of the techniques and recipes it employs. The 60-day money-back guarantee has you back in full. You have a full 60 days to experiment with and evaluate the diet. Simply let them know if you're unhappy for any reason, and they'll joyfully and immediately return every cent. After watching the review of Custom Keto Diet, if you wish to lose weight and want to know more about keto diet, so buy only from official website only. Thank you for watching.